adopts the H.265 compression technology to deliver up to 4K resolution and supports clear, smooth up to 60 frames per second projection. Huawei IdeaHub supports 3 projection modes: IdeaShare app, and wired projection. IdeaShare that allows you to project the content on PC to IdeaHub with just one click. We also have IdeaShare app. You can download from here or search for the IdeaShare on the website, or obtain the IdeaShare app from the QR code. Install the application as instructed. The IdeaShare app is available for PC, tablet, or mobile phone. To start up a conference, simply enter the projection code displayed on the IdeaHub. You can directly perform the shared content, such as page turning, annotation, and end PPT show on the IdeaHub, instead of on the PC or mobile devices, which increases flexibility.